Hi students, we are continuing our workbook chapter 2 long and short. Yesterday we have completed 2 pages. Today we will start from page number 14. First question is Kavita Tappaliyal measured the height of a group of 6 students including herself. The chart is given below. Kavita measured the height of her class students in the class, including her height. She measured in a measured and written in a chart. The chart is given below. First one, Kavita's height 140 centimeter, Harshita 135 centimeter, Mugdha 146 centimeter, Isleen 125 centimeter, Tamanna 150 centimeter, and Meenakshi 130 centimeter. These are the charts she made. Now here few questions asked related to this chart. Now answer the following question after observing this chart. First question is what is the difference between height of Mugdha and Meenakshi? First you find the height of Mugdha, then find out the height of Meenakshi. Then find out whose her height is greater and whose is shorter. Now here see Mugdha's height is, you have to observe this chart properly, carefully. Mugdha's height is 146 centimeter and Meenakshi's height is 130 centimeter. To find the difference of any number, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Here Meenakshi's height is smaller, that is 130 centimeter, and Mugdha's height is 146 centimeter. So to find the difference between their height, we have to subtract Meenakshi's height from Mugdha's height. That means 146 centimeter minus 130 centimeter. Students, when we explained the lesson, I explained to you how can we subtract and add the length. That means if it two units given, that means meter and centimeter, write the meter in one column, centimeter in the another column and subtract. Here we have given only one type of measurement only, that is in centimeter only given. One type of unit only given, centimeter. So we have to subtract 146 minus 130. So students, take a rough page or you can do any other rough book or anywhere. Subtract 146 minus 30. What is the difference? Difference is 16 centimeter. So the difference between the height of Mugdha and Meenakshi is 16 centimeter. Students, I hope you will complete these pages also after observing or watching the video. Now we will move to the second question. Who is the tallest student of the group? Now read all the height of the student, all the students' height. First one Kavita 140. Now we have to find the tallest student from this chart. Harshita 135, Mugdha 146, Isleen 125, Tamanna 150 centimeter, and Meenakshi 130 centimeter. Among these, which is the greatest number? Yes, Tamanna. Tamanna's height is greatest. Height 150 centimeter. More than this unit, nobody's height is more than this Tamanna's height. So who is the tallest student of the group? Tamanna is the tallest student of this group. You have to write the answer. Tamanna is the tallest student in the group with height 150 centimeter. Now same way we will move to the third question in this page. What is the difference between the height of Kavita and Harshita? First find the height of Kavita. Kavita's height is 140 centimeter and Harshita's height is 135 centimeter. Here also we have to find the difference between their height. That means the difference between 140 and 135. Here Harshita's height is shorter than Kavita's height. So 140 minus 135. That means Kavita's height minus Harshita's height. The difference is only 5 centimeter. 140 minus 135. Students, this rough work you should do. I have not showed here because these are very simple calculations. More than there is not enough space for me this page. So you should do in a rough page and find out the calculations and write the answer in the page. You have to write only the answer in these pages. Now we have find out what is the difference between the height of Kavita and Harshita. only 5 centimeter. Now next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is, who is the shortest student of the group? First we find out the tallest student of the group, that was Tamanna. Now we have to find the shortest student. From this box or from this chart, we have to find out the smallest height of, or who is the smallest one, shortest one. See, 140, 135, we have to find out which one is the smallest number. 146, 125, 150 and 130. Among these, we found that 125 is the smallest height of in this chart, that is Ishli. So who is the smallest or shortest student of the group? The shortest student of this group is Ishlin with the height 125 centimeter. Students, all the answers only you have to copy just below this question. Now question 5. Question 5 is, write the names of those students whose heights are more than 130 centimeter but less than 150 centimeter. Here all the questions are very easy. You have to observe this chart properly. That much only. Not any difficult question. Write the names of those students whose heights are more than 130. We have to find out the numbers which are more than 130 centimeter but less than 150 centimeter. So which students are more than 130 and less than 150? We need not to take 130 because we want more than 130. So first one, Kavita. Kavita's height is 140, that is more than 130 and less than 150. Next one is Harshita. Her height also more than 130 and less than 150. So Kavita, Harshita, next one see Mugdha, 146 centimeter. This height also more than 130 and less than 150. So these three names we can write: Kavita, Harshita, Mugdha. Now next one see Ishlin. Her height is 125. That is less than 130. So we don't want to take her name. Another one is Tamanna. We need less than 150. So we don't need not to take 150 height. So Tamanna's name also we not to take. Next one is Meenakshi. Here the question is more than 130. Here correct 130 given. So these three names also we need not to take. So which are the names we have to write here as answer? Kavita, Harshita and Mugdha are the three students whose heights are more than 130 and less than 150 centimeter. So we have completed this page number 14. Now we will move to the page number 15. In this page we have given another activity about inter-school sports meet. Now let's read the question. In inter-school sports meet was organized in St. Columba School in New Delhi. Many students took part in different sports. The data of 2 sports were given below. In that school, many events took place, or many sports events took place, but 2 events record first position and second position given below in this data box. Now we have to read this data box properly and find out the answer for the questions given below it. Here we have given 5 questions. First we have to read the box or the data column. First event is high jump for boys and high jump for girls. Second is long jump for boys and long jump for girls. Here first position given, second position given, girls names, boys names also given. In high jump for boys, Ayush came first. That is, his jump is 2 meter 60 centimeter, and the second position is Ankit, 2 meter 30 centimeter. And in girls high jump, Charu came in first position, 2 meter 20 centimeter, and second position Shivani, 2 meter. In long jump for boys, Shubham came in first position. His jump is 8 meter 60 centimeter, and second position is Lucky. His height jump is 8 meter and 40 centimeter. Now long jump for girls. First position Preeti. Her jump is 6 meter 80 centimeter, and second position is Priya. Her jump is 6 meter and 45 centimeter. Now let's read the question. First question is, what is the difference between the longest jump of boy and the longest jump of girl. First to find out who is the first. Longest means, students, we have to find the long jump of first position student. For boys, who came there? First position is Shubham. His jump is 8 meter and 60 centimeter. And for long jump for first position is Preeti. Her jump is 6 meter and 80 centimeter. To find the difference, we have to find the difference between their jumps or the length of their jumps. To find the difference, we students, already we know that to find the difference we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Here Shubham's jump is bigger one, 8 meter and 60 centimeter, and Preeti's jump is shorter one, that is 6 meter 80 centimeter. So here we have to find out the difference between Shubham's jump and Preeti's jump. That means Preeti's jump subtract from Shubham's jump. 8 meter 60 centimeter minus 6 meter 80 centimeter. So what is the difference we are getting? Students, as I already told, take a rough page. You try to subtract 8 meter 60 centimeter and 6 meter 80 centimeter. Write meters in the same column and centimeters in the same another box. Now try to subtract. I have written that answer, but here I don't have enough space, so I have not done the calculation. I will write the answer here. Here the difference we got 1 meter and 80 centimeter. So you write the answer also. The difference between the longest jump of boy and the longest jump of girl is 1 meter 80 centimeter. Now see the next question. What is the difference between high jump of Ayush and Ankit? Find out where is Ayush. Ayush is in the first box, high jump. And where is Ankit? Second box, Ankit. That means they are in first position and second position in high jump. Here also we have to find their difference. Ayush jump is 2 meter 60 centimeter. Ankit's jump is 2 meter 30 centimeter. In meter there is no difference. Both are jumped 2 meters. But in centimeter there is a little difference is there. So to find the difference, here also we have to subtract the second positions. That means subtract 2 meter 30 centimeter from Ayush jump. That means 2 meter 60 centimeter. So 2 meter 60 centimeter minus 2 meter 30 centimeter, we will get the answer 30 centimeter. So what is the difference between the high jump of Ayush and Ankit? The difference between Ayush and Ankit's jump is only 30 centimeter. Students, write the answers in the workbook only. Calculations do in another page. Now question 3. How many centimeters higher should Ayush jump to reach 3 meters? Ayush here, Ayush jump is 2 meter 60 centimeter. Here we have asked how many centimeters should Ayush jump more to reach 3 meters? Students, we know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 3 meter equals 300 centimeter. To reach 300 centimeters, how many centimeters should he jump to reach there? Ayush jump is 2 meter 60 centimeter. Here we have to subtract 2 meter 60. First we have to convert 2 meter 60 centimeter into centimeter, completely 10 centimeter. That means 2 meter 60 centimeter equals 260 centimeter. So 300 centimeter minus 2 meter 60 centimeter equals 40 centimeter. So how many centimeters should Ayush to jump to reach 300 centimeter? Ayush should jump 40 centimeter more to reach 300 centimeters or 3 meters. 3 meter and 300 centimeters are same units. Now answer right there. Now we will move to the fourth question. How many centimeters longer should Priya jump so as she reached equal to Preeti's long jump? First, once more read the question. How many centimeters longer should Priya jump so as she reached equal to Preeti's jump? That means here Preeti's jump is greater than Priya's jump. So how many centimeters should she jump to reach to equalize with Preeti's jump? Here Preeti's jump we have to write first 6 meter 80 centimeter. And Priya's jump is 6 meter 45 centimeter. Here also we have to subtract 645 from 6 meter 80 centimeter. That means Priya's jump we have to subtract from Preeti's jump. Then we can find out how many centimeters should Preeti to jump to reach with the Preeti. Now subtracting 645 from 680, we will get 25 centimeter. So calculation you should do in a rough page. We will get the difference is 25 centimeter. That means 680 minus 680 you can write. Either you can write in different columns, meter and centimeter. Otherwise you can convert this meter into completely centimeter. So 6 meter 80 centimeter minus 6 meter 45 centimeter is 25 centimeter. The difference is 25 centimeter. So how many centimeter Priya should jump to reach with the equal to Preeti's long jump? 25 centimeter. So write the answer also. Write the answer also. So Priya should jump 25 centimeter more to reach equal to Preeti's long jump. Now we will move to the last question about this activity. Last question means fifth question. Whose long jump is close to 7 meter among boys and girls? Whose long jump? Long jump only you have to find out the long jump only. Check the boxes among boys and girls. So long jump is given in the last two boxes. Long jump for boys and long jump for girls. Among these, whose jump is closer to 7 meter? 7 meter means 700 centimeter. First you read Shubham, long jump for boys, 8 meter 60 centimeter. This is not closer to 8 meter because it is more than 7 meter. This is not near to 7 meter. This is more than 7 meter. So this answer Shubham's jump is not closer to 7 meter. Now see the second position, Lucky. His jump is 8 meter 40 centimeter. Long jump second position for boys. His jump is 8 meter 40 centimeter. This length also more than 7 meter. So this jump is also not close to 7 meter. Now see the Preeti's jump. Preeti's jump is 6 meter 80 centimeter. Yes, 6 meter 80 centimeter means 680 centimeter. 7 meter means 700 centimeter. So now we can find out that Preeti's jump is near to 7 meter or 700 centimeter. Now see the Priya's jump also second position. Priya's jump is 6 meter 45 centimeter. So which number or whose jump is more closer to 7 meter? Preeti's jump, because 680 is no more closer to 645. So we have to write the answer here. Whose jump is close to 7 meter? Preeti's jump is close to 7 meter as it is 6 meter and 80 centimeter. Now we have completed this activity also. Now we will move to the next activity in this page that we will do in the next class.